Ka kotloloho ho tswa Studio 10 Auckland Park, Johannesburg. Re utlisetsa kgaso ya ditaba ka puo ya Sesotho. Fela pele re kena ho tsona ha re lekole tse itlhameng pele.
Nationally serious crime is down, but is still at unacceptably high levels.
Letona la nakwana la sepolesa le Professor Firoz Kachaliya o re dinyewe tsa dipolao di theohile ka dipersente tse 9.5 kotareng ena.
Are looking at options that we need to deal with this matter, and now today we've filed a leave of appeal to appeal this order, especially the part that related to the prosecutor where he was found or convicted in absentia.
Tseo re sa tswa di amohela ke tse reng lekgotla lana la botjhutjhisi le hlahletse kopo ya tumelo ya ho ipiletsa kgahlano le ho nyatsa taelo ya lekgotla nyeweng ya mohwebi Jose Banyoni.
As the South African government will condemn any form of attack against foreign nationals. It is in terms of our law, only the police can enforce the law.
Letona ditabeng tsa matjhaba Ronald Lamola o re ke mosebetsi wa mmuso ho rarolla bothata ba melata e senang mangolo. Beso moifo malala laotso ha setsa ditaba tsa ka jeno mme re a dumeditsa lo amelokano tsebeletsong ya mantla SABC2 le SABC le hae ke Thato Hlanyane mme ke na le mosebetsi mo e leng Photini. Letona la sepolesa la nakwana Professor Firoz Kachaliya o re Afrika Borwa e tlalehile ho theoha ha palo ya naha ya dipolao mme dinyewe di theohile ka dipersente tse 9.5 kotareng ya ho qetela ya selemo sa ditjhelete se fetileng.
Nationally serious crime is down, but is still at unacceptably high levels. This is exactly the language I'm reminded that I used when I was the MEC of community safety maybe 15 or 20 years ago. And now I'm happy that no one denies that, that crime is unacceptably high. Violent crime, referred to by the police as contact crimes, as there is direct contact between the perpetrator and the victim, has indeed declined by 4.6%. That means 7,405 fewer cases of violent crimes were reported. That's an important qualification compared to the same quarter last year.
Dinaha tsa SADC di dumela hore lebatoa le tshwanela ho fumana tharollo molemong wa baahi ba tsona jwalo ka ho rana tsitsibano maemong a matjhaba. Baromuwa ba SADC ho tswa mafapheng a fapaneng a ditaba tsa lehae ba tlile ho tshwara kopano Kruger National Park Skukuza Mpumalanga ka maemo a botjhabela bo hare.
Baetapele ba phahameng mebusong ya dinaha tsa SADC ba tlilo sohla maemo a renang a dipolotiki maemong a matjhaba le kgahlamelo ya ntwa ya botjhabela bo hare le batweng la SADC.
We are one of the most blessed regions with abundant natural resources. There is every member state who has got something that we need during this crisis. One of our member states possesses oil. One of our member states possesses gas, abundant of it. One of our member states possesses lithium. Others of our member states possess other natural resources that the world can only dream about.
Ho falla ha baahi ho ya dinaheng tse ding tsa boahisane ke enngwe ya dintlha tsa bohlokwa nakong ena eo ho na le kgoeletso ho tswa Afrika Borwa ya melata e sena mangolo.
As the South African government will condemn any form of attack against foreign nationals. It is in terms of our law, only the police can enforce the law. Only law enforcement like border management, responsible for migration, labor inspectors are the ones that are supposed to enforce the law, and any private citizen doing so is doing illegal. We do have a challenge of illegal or irregular migration, illegal documented or undocumented foreign nationals in the country that we need to address, and we need as a government to build capability to respond to that, to be able to know who is in the country, what are they doing, where are they, and also when they've committed crime, they must be arrested.
Seboka sena se tlo tswela pele mafelong ana a beke.
Melata e dulang Durban e na le tshabo ka lebaka la tlhokeho ya botsitso. Le lefapha la ditaba tsa selehae le netefaditse mangolo a boteng ba yona kwano naheng. Bongata ba yona e ntse e tshaba ho kgutlela malapeng a bo yona ka tshabo ya ho hlaselwa.
Melata e re Afrika Borwa e ne e lokela ho ba sebaka se sireletsehileng. Bongata ba yona bore bo tshaba ho kgutlela malapeng a yona.
I'm scared to go there. I need some help, and then I don't have place to stay now.
My house where I was renting, they came morning knocking, telling me to go back to my country. I'm not supposed to live there.
E mong wa baetapele ba melata ena o re ona tshepile hore ba tla iswa sebakeng se bolokehileng.
Let's go to the previous meeting which our leaders had with the stakeholders on a Wednesday, where it was agreed that once everyone that was at the Konya Center is verified, safety will be provided.
Ho sa le jwalo ba ai ba KwaZakhele le New Brighton, Nelson Mandela Bay ba ile ba wanta kgahlano le ditlolo tsa molao, dithethefatsi le melata e seng molaong.
This part of the city is very notorious, especially in our townships. Our township is like a war zone. Every day people are getting killed. Now as the community leaders, we decided that we must take this thing up and make sure that the community rallies behind every one of us. We get united towards making sure we find a lasting solution.
Kauleleng letona la sepolesa Firoz Khashalia o re ba ai ha ba lokela ho ikela molao matsohong.
People who have decided that they must act by themselves, to take the law into their own hands, to enter hospitals and schools, are acting unlawfully. And the police similarly have a responsibility to stop that.
Ho boetse ho na le maikutlo a hore melata ya DRC, Burundi le Ethiopia e batla ho kgutlela ha bo yona.
Makgotlang a dinyewe tseo re sa tswa di amohela ke tse reng Lekgotla la Naha la Botjhutjhisi profenseng ya Mpumalanga le hlahletse kopo ya tumelo ya ho ipiletsa kgahlano le ho nyatsa taelo ya lekgotla e ntshitsweng kgahlano le motjhutjhisi wa mmuso Mkhuseli Ntaba le taelo ya ho tshwarwa ha lengolo la ho tshwarwa ha hae. Sena se latela ho hloleha ha Ntaba ho ya lekgotleng la dinyewe ho ile ho ema kgahlano le kopo ya beili nyeweng ya boqhekanyetsi le ho pata mohlodi wa tjhelete kgahlano le mohwebi e leng Jose Banyoni mmoho le baqosuwa mmoho le yena e leng Mvimbi Masilela, Philemon Msiza mmoho le Bafana Sindani. Sena se etsahetse ka morao hore motjhutjhisi Mkhuseli Ntaba a hlolehe ho ba teng kgotla ho sa natse taelo ya lekgotla. Ho ya ka mmuedi wa naha wa botjhutjhisi Kaizer Kganyago, motjhutjhisi enwa ya kginnwe nakwana mosebetsing o boleletse lekala hore o ile a ikutlwa a sa bolokeha pele lekgotla le dula ho mamela nyewe eo.
Today we filed a leave of appeal to appeal this order, especially the part that related to the prosecutor where he was found or convicted in absentia, and therefore the warrant of arrest was then put against him. Therefore we have now today moved to appeal that, so that we then are saying that because we have now appealed automatically, the order will be suspended until this matter is heard. And then we have also asked from the magistrate written reasons on why decisions were made, and those decisions, written grounds, are going to be used when we go to the next step.
Kauleleng kopo ya ho lokollwa ka beili ya setho sa mehleng sa sehlopha se ikgethang sa sepolesa e leng Matimpandile Sotheni e suthetse kapa hona e thusitse thahaselo hape malebana le nyewe ya polao ya mophahli wa makunuti e boetse ne le paki commissioning ya Matlanga e le Marius van der Merwe. Polao ya van der Merwe ile ya tshosa batho phatlala le naha kgweding ya Tshitwe ngwahola yena ene ile ofisiri ya mehleng ya sepolesa masepaleng wa Ikuruleni a boetse a ena le company ya private ya Balebedi o ile a fana ka bopaki commissioning e tlasa lebitso Paki D bopaki ba hae bone ba kga ka hare ditlaleho tsa bobodu tsamaiso e mamphemphe ya sepolesa le maqulo na hlophisitsweng a ditlolo tsa molao a kenyeletsang le bahlanka ba molao.
The state says the shooting happened at about 20:32. It is important to inform the court that at the time of this alleged offence, I was not in Gold Street where Mr. van der Merwe resides. My tracker does not place me there.
The applicant does not disclose to this court where he intends residing should he be granted bail. Although he relies on a lease agreement concluded on April 2025 for a period of a year, which expires on the 30th of April 2026 and currently operates on a month-to-month basis.
Beso re botsegela amoela mokgatlholo kwa bobedi wa ditaba tsa Sesotho. Baahi ba saretsweng ba Mahikeng Northwest ba ne ba tshwerwe tshebeletso ya go gantsha dikerese ya moitseki wa ntwa kgatlhano le bobodu e leng Thato Molosankwe ka jeno. Sena se tla ka morao Molosankwe a thungwe a bolawe lapeng la hae le lomanyaneng ka Bolaboraro.
Senga go se tlhalosetsang ga jana ke gore re mo go se se bidwang go ke candlelight service mme mo go ne go tlile baagi go tswa go dikarolong tse di farologaneng tsa Mahikeng mo e leng gore ba tlile go itlhobogela Thato Molosankwe go nnile le yone candlelight service jaaka o bona go morago batho ba ba phatlhallang tla ke letlelle modiri mmogo le nna Tumelo se tlhabetse gore a go bontshe batho ba ba phatlhallang ba ke bao ba neng ba tlile go tla go itlhobogela Thato Molosankwe mme go santse go tlhalosiwa gore go tla nna le memorial service ka Laboraro o tlang mme e tla re ka la Matlhatso Saturday ka di 30 tsa May ke gone a tlabeng a ya go bolokwa ke letsatsi la funeral ka jalo re na le baagi ba re kopileng gore ba buisane le rona gore ba itse jang Thato Molosankwe ebile ke eng se ba eletsang go bona se direga go tloga fa ya ka le gore go na le kgetsi ya mapodisi e tsweletseng pele re tlhalosetse o gopola jang Thato Molosankwe
tota re Molosankwe ke mo gopola thata ba gaetsho tota re latlhegetswe nna ke leta go mo lefo tota le seshaba re latlhegetswe ka re ne re solofetse go le gontsi mo go ene ebile ke rapela bosigo le motshegare gore batho ba tiro ye tota sepodisi sa rona se leke ka bojotlhe re kopane le bone le community batho ba leke go tshwarwa ke a leboga
re a leboga yo ke o mongwe wa baagi ba karolo e ka kwano mo Mahikeng a re buisane le baagi ba bangwe re tlhalosetse marona gore o gopola jang Thato Molosankwe mme le gone ke eng se o leng gore o eletsa gore se ka direga go tloga fa ka re ano kgetsi go sepodiseng
yo re latlhegetswe re le baagi ba Mahikeng Thato Molosankwe o na lwela Mahikeng a batla go bona re dira a batla go bona go na le tswelo pele gore re thubegile dipelo re batla gore batho ba dirileng seno se modimo a diretsela gore ba tshwarwe a ba tshwarwe batho bao ka leina la Jesu yo re botlhoko re le batho ba Mahikeng re thubegile dipelo mme ke a itse gore modimo moya wa ga Thato ha o ka ke wa robalela modimo a sa iri sengwe modimo ga nkitla didimala re tla siamelwa batho ba Mahikeng a re kgothaleng
re a leboga marona ke baagi ba Mahikeng ba ileng gore ba bua ka mokgwa o ba gopolang Thato Molosankwe ka teng Thato Molosankwe ke molwela ditshwanelo ene le molwela ditshwanelo ebile a sa lwele ditshwanelo fela tse di rileng o na lwela ditshwanelo tsa bagwebi ba ileng gore o na tsa gore ba tingwa ditšhono mo private sector le mo public sector o na lwela ditshwanelo tsa basadi le bana ga mmogo le banna ba ileng gore ba sotliwa o na lwela ditshwanelo kgotsa a lwantsha bonwenwe kana corruption ka jalo ke ka mokgwa ba bantsi ba reng ba mogopola ka gone mme ga gore mongwe le mongwe na dumalana le ene re lebeletse le ga o lebella mo social media bo Facebook jalo o kgona go bona gore go na le batho bao ba neng ba ganetsana le ene mme re lemoga gore go le gantsi o na ganetsana le bone ka tlotlo mme go na le dilo tse e leng gore o na di gwetlha ka tlhamalalo a sa lebe ko morago a di gwetlha ka tlhamalalo ebile a ema ka ntwa mo go tsone
Mika gore ya ntwa e re mabitla masole a bileng le seabontweng ya pele le ya bobedi ya lefatshe a tlameha go sireletswa beke e tsejwang jalo ka ya tlhokomelo ya mabitla a bahale ba ntwa e ne tshwaretswe setsheng sa bafu sa Hamilton Bloemfontein
ba keteka bahale ba lahletsweng ke maphelo a bona ntweng ya pele le ya bobedi ya lefatshe mabitla ana a bontsha boitelo ba maAfrika Borwa a tswileng ka naha ho ilolwana mabitso a bona lo ikana ha bona ho ngotswe le boteng la sehopotso le dibukeng tsa nalane Commissioner Commonwealth War Graves ena le dilemo tse lekgolo e boloka lo ntlafatsa mabitla e sebetsa le dinaheng tse kang tsa Botswana, Lesotho le Namibia ha ga tse ding komishene ena e hlalositse ha o boloka sebaka sena ho netefatsa hore nalane le yona e a bolokeha.
Go botlhokwa gore re gopole masole e ka gore sacrifice ba dirileng e ne le ka bophelo ba bona, and ga re gape gore batho ba lebale, ga re gape mmereko wa rona o tshwantse o ntshe matlhoko a dilo tse di diragetseng ko morago fela ne re tlhompe dilo tse di fetileng ko morago gore re kgone gore re itse rona re le batho gore re tswa kae.
Mekaubere ya ntwa e behile dikgare mabitleng ana. Ba bang ba bona ba nkile karolo go disha Bush War e bileng dilemong tsa 1960. Ba re le ha re phela nakong eo ho senang dintwa naheng ya rona, re tlameha ho keteka le ho hopola ba shwelletseng kgotso lefatsheng. Ba bolela ha o le bohlokwa bakeng sa batjha ho ithuta ka nalane ya bona.
You look at these graves, a price was paid for the peace we have today, and to remember each of these individuals and to pay homage to the sacrifices that was made.
Ka selemo sa 2005, masole a shwelletseng ntweng ya pele ya lefatshe a ile a bolokelwa hona mona ka mora hore ba tloswe mabitleng a Rooi Dam a Bloemfontein. Selemong sona seo, bahale ba 29 ba hlokahalletseng ntweng ya bobedi ya lefatshe ba ile ba tloswa mabitleng a neng a sa hlokomelwe dilemong tsa 1970 ho tla bolokelwa hona sebakeng sena. Kamohelo Tsotetsi, SABC News, Bloemfontein.
Baahi ba North West ba angweng ke dikgohola ba ntse ba leka ho busetsa maemo a bophelo ba bona setlwaeding. Maemo a mabe a lehodimo a kenyeletsang dipula tse matla le sefefo a bakile tshenyo provinseng ena.
Marulelo le mabota a matlo a ole jaaka baagi ba ba amegileng ba gaeletswe ba tlhoka thuso.
Re wetse ke ntlo thurumo yone ya nela ha pula dina bana ha bana mo ba robalang teng. Di dijo ha gona letseno mo jareteng. Bana ba sokola le di grant ke o one wa mogalang di grant le ene e se khali di a kgaolwa. Re kopa thuso le motlakase o makgasa sengwe le se go bothatela jo bontsela mo lapeng.
Le fa matlo mangwe a sa senyega go tlhelele ditshenyegelo di dikgolo.
Le bota le wele ana go aga lone nako ene le wa ke go raka go kolobile bo dipapa go kolobile sengwe le sengwe go la ha pula e tla ke a tshoga ga gona a ke na boroko le motlakase la o bona mo pepeneneng gore ke lala ke sa robala bane ba re ba tsa lone cable.
Re sa lefo ba disaster management mo provinseng ba re go setse go dirilwe ditlhatlhobo tsa matlo a senyegileng. Gape ba re lefapha la matlo la bosetšhaba le mo letsholong la go thapa batlamedi ba ditirelo go aga manno a nakwana. Sentle Inlihihi, SABC News, Mahikeng.
Jwale ha re lekola hore mabaka a sebeditse jwang ha JC ne kwala ronya bohlano. Ranta ha ya sebetsa hantle papisong le ditjhelete tsa dinaha tse ding. Diabalo tsona ha di a sebetsa hantle. Ditheko tsa thepa oli e tala ya Brent e sebeditse hantle ka ene hweba ka $100 tse 104 barele. Mo ke dipapadi tsa ho qetela tsa Betway Premiership hosane mme ka Sonta ke makgaolakgang a CAF re maile le potso maqepheng a rona tsa marangrang hore na o lebeletse sephetho se feng dipapading tsena. Maikutlo a hao ke ana latela ka kgatiso ya video ya WhatsApp.
Nna ke leletsa setlhopha sa ka sa Mamelodi Sundowns gore se gape CAF e be se gape le league ka boyelo masandawana ka boyelo
re setlhopha sa Orlando Pirates re netefatsa gore re khumana ntse tharo re gone go thopa mogopo wa Betway Premiership go bona re tlo go lebeletse ka mahlo mahibidu ka go la Morocco Sundowns yona ka Sontaga e tla ba bapala magaolang a ga CAF kere mohlatsile matlholo le go setlhopha sa rona sa Afrika borwa le go Mamelodi Sundowns.
Ke bona ka re setlhopha sa Orlando Pirates se tlo feta ya se tlo tšea mogopo wa Betway le sona setlhopha sa Mamelodi Sundowns ke bona se tlo re thabisa re le ma Afrika borwa se tlo wina mogopo wa CAF.
Mafelelong a bekena a di shebile mo go Betway Premiership
ke bona ho tlo ba thata batho ba tlo shwa ka dipelo ke shebile haholo kwa godimo kwa mahareng ha Orlando Pirates le Mamelodi Sundowns batho ba tlo shwa ka dipelo.
Re tla boka ha di oroha mohi di bile hakala tsa ka jeno o ifa o entse ho lekane ha re boela kopana hape nakong e tlang ho tswa go nna le Mpho Teme Fonaneng.